What's new in Ikea June 2020? This is a part 2 where I'm gonna take you through the store. Here you can see the barriers after reopening Ikea store here in the UK. This one specifically in London where people are supposed to queue if there's a queue. Hand sanitizer when you entering the store, of course, and the distancing rule. There's a stickers all over the store. You're gonna see as we walk around. I'm gonna show you the showroom prices of the items. You can browse with me if you don't have a chance to go to Ikea store, or if it's not open in your country yet, let me know in the comments how is it in your country. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to the channel. Also, if you enjoy my assembly videos, subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helped me a lot to push this channel forward on the Google algorithm. Also, there is a new thing I want to announce. I opened Patreon page where you can donate and support the channel if you feel like, or if my assembly videos help you at any point. Also, I would offer one-to-one video support for the Patreon supporters or subscribers if you mess up with your Ikea furniture assembly. So this is a new thing, and now let's go and browse the Ikea store in London together. This is a Hemnes TV stand, 3 drawers, £129. Extending table, £129. Sofa, Hector, £229. This one, £150 for fabric or glass cabin. This is 3-seater sofa, Vimla, £675. Okay, let's check it out here. This is on the table, looks like a garden table probably. Table outdoor, South Home, £25 with the chair, metal chairs. No kitchen corner here. And the sofa here, Grunwind, £595. House star, £510. Shelving units on this side. The kind of metal cabinets, Helmer, £29. Extendable table, Gambly, £199. You can open these leaves here and there's. Let's move to another showroom here. Sofa, 2-seater sofa, Klimpen, £229. Shelving, I think this is black shelves, £19, the long ones. And on this side we have Calabix units. You can see them in my videos, the assembly of these. We got extendable sofa here, £795 for Grunwind. And we got few extendable sofas here. 1, 2, this one Askeby. This one just opening this way and extend it. This is £199. This one is, I got a video on this one, this is Frichten, £479 for Frichten extendable sofa here. You can extend it this way here. And you have a bed. And I think this is Frichten, just read it different color. If I remember correctly, yes. So we have a storage here. Open this one for the bed. Very practical, £479. This is the Billy bookcases here on this side. See more sofas here. This one's just folding and have this cover on it. I think you can extend it after. This is £285 in different colors. This one, Grunlin, £1,035. I think let's have a storage as well here. Or not? Yes, it has. Then you can extend it this way on the side. Linhood, £815. I'm not sure if you can extend this one. Oh yes, you can. There's a storage under it. £815 for this one. Stall here and wing chairs. Strandman, Just people have a problem with the assembling of these wings on the side. Just follow my video, it should be fine. This is £199 for those stand mount wing chairs. Some more armchairs here. Ikea. Sorry, I'm butchering the names as usual, but quite hard to pronounce. And it's £129 for this one. And we got high back armchair with the ball, £229. This one £459 and pound £54. Different color combination here with the footstools. And we have this table here. They're all sitting in these interesting shelves here. They're kind of, they just mount those poles on the side to the wall, and then you can adjust your shelving depend how you want the shelves spread. And we got Besta units here. That's the pop-up mechanism here. No door handles, just how I like it, just like that. That's cool. This set is £460 for this one. Desks, Lilas, and £115. This one, bamboo. We got the armchair, Landskrona, £300 for this one. Okay, that's matching with this sofa. Landskrona, £1,225, and this is a Besta unit with a kind of TV bench at the bottom, and then you have those units on the top mounted to the wall. Quite nice, very slim units. They should have these pop-ups here, same as on all Bestas. Finally, there is no any door handles. Nice and clean design. That's how it works. Just press in the corner, coming up. There it is. Grundle, £150 for this rocking chair. Another showroom here, console table, and few display cabinets, glass door cabinet light up, £229 for this one. On the other side we got the light rug bookcase, £179. That's how it looks from a bit far, and exactly the same stand mount pink chair, £199 for the footstool. This is a bedroom with the mount bed, I guess. See the mount bed? Yes, £229. This is a mount bed. I think this is the ottoman. Yes, it is ottoman, but it's locked. Nice storage under it, and we got the Pax wardrobe here on this side with the Besta units over the mount bed. Those units are very simple to assemble, more difficult to put it on the wall. So you should know what you're doing if you're putting this stuff on the wall. Ikea Pax, the usual popular wardrobes here in UK. The lights on the top, a few different options for in wardrobe lighting on or over the wardrobe lighting, as it is here. This mirror, Nisedal, £45. For the bathroom here, cabinets, no sinks. This one, let's say, Good Morgan, £169. This is £3 for free, I think. That's the size of it if you have a mini house. Another combination of Ikea Pax with white panels and the mirror on the middle, £425 for this one. And you can have these storage boxes, very practical. These boxes on the top, very practical, so you don't need to take it all stuff out. Just take the box out, open it up. This is for shoes on the other side. Fire baskets, shelves, and hanging rail. This is the slimmer wardrobe, as you can see. This is 35 cm only. You got 58 and 35 cm options. This is the kids stuff here, kids room, the bed. On this side, small shelves. Oh, this is new. I didn't see those before. Interesting. Okay, another showroom here. Corner sofa, This is, I think, the one we saw before. Yes, Fricht, another color combination. £529 for this extendable sofa bed with the storage. And it's the storage opened up like this. Ikea units here for £20 to be mounted to the wall. On this side, I think this is the best combinations, and Ikea units on the top. It's the best interesting door handles here, which I'm sure you like them. Let's have a look at this. Best combinations here. This is £223 for this combination with the glass. This should be drawer, yes. And the glass with the pop-ups. The bottom one, £315, and this is opening up, and we got these ones here. This is £460. I think this is combination of those two, like that, or you can have a different color combination here. £460 for this Vista units have to be mounted to the wall as well. Same as the bottom one. You see there is no legs, nothing. This is just the boxes under it. Up. Kind of like the bottom without the legs, no attachment. Only to mount them on the wall is quite hard. So you have to know what you're doing. If you're mounting this to the wall. Got another Vesta here. Door handles instead of pop-ups. House here opening up. Interesting. This is £179. Opening that way. Practical. And we got harness £179 for this 3 drawers TV bench. In white on the top and black brown on the bottom, I think. White here. Combination with the harness. Bookcases on the sides, and milestone TV bench. This is £229 for this one, and this is sliding doors here. Wall bracket for TV, £29, and this is Vesta, £615 for the whole unit, I would say. Quite cool. Only this have to be mounted to the wall. It's not easy to do. Here we have all the best combination, that's the basis, tops, bottoms, and then you combine them together. That's how they work. With the TV bracket mounted to the wall, all the doors combinations here. Kallax units. So this Kallax units is exactly like those squares where you can put the doors, different baskets, smaller, the bigger one in there. I saw it with the different doors. That's gonna be some example with the glass, mirror, or the full doors as it is here in this case. Okay, let's check another room over here. Outro. This is outdoor furniture. I got a video on these, £179 for this one. 3 seats. This is kind of bench with a shelf for wall panel outdoor. The shelf is £8, and this is £35, and this is £45. So it's 3 pieces. Kitchen table and the kitchen. Another showroom here. This is Billy bookcases at the back, and the sofa here. Vimla, £885 for this corner sofa. The Billy bookcases. This combination is £450. This Vesta unit, same again, only here we have a door handles. The baskets inside, those baskets are £10, and this combination here is £197. This one I think is new, and this is Stockholm, £300, £299. Small kind of sink unit here, or small kitchen, £99. And this is end of part 2. I hope you enjoyed. See you in part 3. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share. Have a fantastic day.